Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we provide honest, expert reviews on all things beauty and wellness. Today, we're diving into something a little different, a portable massage chair. The Apollo Extra Large Size Portable Massage Chair promises to combine comfort, durability, and portability for professional massage therapists. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. This lightweight massage chair weighs in at just 18 pounds, making it ideal for therapists who are on the go. Whether you're working in a spa, at a client's home, or at an event, the chair folds up easily and comes with a convenient wheeled carrying bag for effortless transport. At first glance, this portable massage chair seems to deliver on its promise of mobility. Now let's talk features. The Apollo chair offers an adjustable frame designed to accommodate a wide range of body types, with dimensions of 19-inch in width, 29 inches in length, and 50 inches in height. This versatility is great for therapists who work with different clients, ensuring everyone gets a custom, comfortable fit. The chair also boasts oversized plush cushions, which are touted as the largest and thickest available in the market. These 2-inch thick cushions promise to provide maximum comfort, which, let's be honest, is a big deal for both clients and therapists. But do they really hold up in real-life use? We'll get into that. As for construction, the Apollo chair is built with a heavy-duty aircraft-quality aluminum frame. This not only supports a weight capacity of up to 650 pounds, but also features a no-mark finish. You won't have to worry about unsightly chips, scratches, or nicks that could damage the aesthetic of your workspace. Now, in terms of accessories, the Apollo chair has you covered. You get a 6-way adjustable face cradle, a memory foam face pillow, a session pouch for personal items, and that handy wheeled carrying case. These additions make it easy to organize your session while ensuring your client's comfort. So, how does it perform in real-world conditions? After testing it for a few weeks in various settings, home, professional massage studio, and even during outdoor events, one thing is clear: this chair lives up to its promise of portability. The chair folds down easily, and the carrying case is an absolute game changer for transportation. It's a breeze to bring along without straining your back or shoulders. The comfort level is also impressive. The cushions are thick and supportive, ensuring that even larger clients can relax fully during their sessions. The adjustable frame makes it easy to tailor the chair to different body types, which is essential for providing a professional and comfortable experience. However, the size of the chair might be a concern for those who need something more compact. While the adjustable frame accommodates various body types, its larger build might not be ideal for tight spaces or traveling to places where room is limited. Pros: portability. Super easy to transport thanks to the wheeled carrying case. Adjustable for all body types. The wide frame and adjustable features make it versatile for a variety of clients. Heavy-duty construction, the aircraft-grade aluminum frame feels solid, and the no-mark finish is a thoughtful touch. Comfortable cushioning. The thick, oversized cushions offer excellent support, even for larger clients. Cons: size. The larger build might not fit in tighter spaces or be ideal for those seeking a more compact solution. Weight. At 18 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some other portable massage chairs, though still manageable for most. When it comes to value for money, the Apollo Extra Large Size Portable Massage Chair sits comfortably in the mid to high price range. Given its premium materials, sturdy construction, and accessories, I'd say the price is justified, especially for professionals who prioritize both comfort and durability in their equipment. In comparison to similar massage chairs on the market, the Apollo holds its own. It's particularly well suited for therapists working with a variety of clients, including those with larger body types, thanks to its oversized cushions and sturdy frame. Some chairs at a similar price point offer portability, but don't come with the same level of comfort or customization. As for build quality, the chair feels robust, and the 650-pound weight capacity is a great selling point for those working with heavier clients. The no-mark finish is also a thoughtful detail that helps maintain the appearance of the chair over time. In terms of customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions, but based on the brand's reputation, it seems they're known for providing solid customer service if needed. Final verdict? The Apollo Portable Massage Chair is a strong contender in the world of professional massage equipment. Its build quality, comfort, and portability make it a great choice for anyone who needs a chair that delivers on both performance and style. The larger size and heavier weight might not suit everyone, but for those who work with clients of varying body types and need a sturdy, reliable chair on the go, this is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.